This is not just a car charger, it can make your music system smarter. Yes, if your car's music system don't have Bluetooth and you're not able to connect your mobile phone to directly to your music system and enjoy hassle free without any aux cable or anything like this, music of your mobile phone into that, or calling function also, that is work as a calling function too. So what's the process and what the scenario? If you want to buy this product, link is given in the description below. You can check it out from over there, and I'm going from how to do it. Let's know about how you can easily connect or use this device into your car and your mobile phone. So what's the process? Let you know right now. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to connect this device into your car cigarette charger, and after that it will start working. Now you will see that Bluetooth is blinking over there. That means its Bluetooth is on now. Now you have to go to your mobile phone and go to the Bluetooth options. From there you have to connect on its Bluetooth option that you will find on your mobile phone. When you connect it on it, it will start showing you the FM frequency on your LED screen, and now you have to search that frequency on your car's music system's FM function. Yes, FM function. On most of the car you will find a FM option over there. Now if it's searched, now you can play any music from your mobile phone to this, and this will automatically frequent that and transfer that to FM frequency, and anyone can use that music system and music. I mean that music can be played on your music system. And if you want to change the bass or anything like this, there is the option for bass change too over here. The shuffle option is also over here. You can increase the volume by pushing this button like up, and by down you can decrease the volume. Next song, previous song, and you can charge your mobile phone, and if you push this directly, it will pick up the call if any call is coming on your mobile phone.
Hello.
And this is the mic via you can talk to your mobile caller. So hope you like this video. If you want to purchase, link is given in the description below. You can check out there. If you like this video, don't like, share with your family and friends. So subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you like this video. I'm Gogi. How to do it.